National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Rockdale County in north-central Georgia, Western Barrow County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Fayette County in north-central Georgia, southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, eastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Henry County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Walton County in north-central Georgia, northern Coeita County in west-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, until 5:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 4:24 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roswell to near Six Flags over Georgia to Dunaway Gardens, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Newnan, Lawrenceville, McDonough, Decatur, Fayetteville, Conyers, Winder, Jonesboro, Peachtree Corners, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Peachtree City, and East Point. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-44. The tornado warning for southeastern Heard County is canceled.